No matter how hard you work to accumulate money, or how many financial books you read, or seminars that you attend, your finances cannot improve unless you improve your mindset. A millionaire mindset is not actually about making $1 million. It's not even about your net worth, living in a penthouse, or your bank account. If you follow or pay attention to social media at all, you've probably heard someone mention the millionaire mindset. People casually mention having a millionaire mindset. But what exactly does that mean? Is it something people learn on their own? A millionaire mindset is about focusing on changing your life, starting with your perspective to accomplish the goals you've always dreamed of achieving. You must encourage purposeful habits and ways of thinking daily. You can't achieve your goals by never leaving the house or talking to anyone. If you're trying out a business pitch, you need to be confident while expressing your passion. People recognize and remember bold, passionate, and courageous individuals speaking about their goals. Networking can help you connect with like-minded individuals who share the same drive as you. Making friends at work also turns colleagues into peers, which increases employee engagement. If you don't have your goals on your mind, how are you supposed to reach them? Your goals could be financial growth, more robust well-being, a particular career path, or any other dream. Make a habit of thinking about what you want to achieve. Once you have your goals in mind, write them down and keep them where you'll see them often. They'll always be there to remind you what you're working for, even on tough days. Millionaires are good at taking a big picture view of their finances. They zoom out and look at how a decision will affect them 5, 10, and 20 years down the road, not just in the moment. For a straightforward example, if there's $1,000 left each month after paying bills, lots of people would be tempted to spend it. That might make you feel good in the present, but it does nothing for you in the future. Let's say you invested your extra $1,000 per month instead. The average stock market return is about 10% per year. At that return, after 30 years of investing, you'd have $1.97 million. Of that total, only $360,000 would be money you contributed. The rest is your return on investment. Cultivating a wealthy mindset requires more than just optimistic thinking. It demands a conscious effort to identify and dismantle the limiting beliefs that hold us back. These are the whispers of doubt, the echoes of fear that lurk in the recesses of our minds, whispering tales of inadequacy and impossibility. But fear not, for with courage and conviction, we can challenge these inner demons, replacing them with empowering beliefs that propel us toward our financial goals. When it comes to financial success, the secret of the millionaire's mind is simple. Don't lose money. Take your future seriously by prioritizing your financial wellness and setting financial goals that focus on investing over spending. If you need to take financial risks like laying out capital, feel confident the expense will bring returns. It can be frustrating to feel like you're hustling without being rewarded. But don't let this deter you from focusing on what you want in life. You can't change your life in a week. It's okay if you don't meet your personal development goals when you'd hoped. Good things take time, and just because things don't always happen when you want them to, doesn't mean they never will. Excuses will hold you back from pushing forward and achieving your goals. Try to address problems instead of blaming your setbacks on other factors or complaining. Professional and personal growth is inevitable as you're working towards your goals. Keeping a growth mindset during your journey to success is crucial to remind you of your beginning. The millionaire mindset isn't something you can follow for 3 days and then reap the benefits forever. It may take more time than you'd hoped. Believe in your ability to reach your goals one day. As you go through this lifestyle change, you're bound to encounter some frustrating times and people. It's okay to feel annoyed or disappointed, but try your best to be as respectful as you can. Once you reach your goals, it'll make you feel more accomplished, knowing that you respected everyone who helped you along the way. Confidence and a fantastic career trajectory aren't everything, so always plan for contingencies. Envision worst-case scenarios, create a plan for dealing with them, and work hard to avoid them. For example, times of economic uncertainty mean financial setbacks like layoffs or recession are possible. At its core, a wealthy mindset begins with a fundamental shift in perspective, a shift from scarcity to abundance. It's about embracing the belief that there is more than enough wealth to go around, and that prosperity is not a finite resource, but an infinite ocean waiting to be explored. It's viewing money not as a means of selfish acquisition, but as a tool for creating opportunities, fostering growth, and making a positive impact on the world around us. Most people don't become rich because they don't take action. They just keep doing the same thing over and over again. The result? They stay where they are, Take action today with whatever you are thinking. If you're clear about your goals and maintain focus, confidence and financial freedom are well within reach. Rich people understand that salaries or hourly wages limit their income. Therefore, they aim to get paid for the value they provide and the results they produce. They do this by opting for commission, profit sharing, or investing in their company's stock options. Because their income is tied directly to the results they produce. Rich people make every effort to promote themselves and the value that they have to offer. Being overlooked or ignored means they don't receive an income. Therefore, they make sure that they reach and benefit as many people as possible to maximize their profits. The more people they reach, the more income they receive. Developing a millionaire mindset isn't an overnight process. It involves vision, passion, and an incredible amount of hard work. Have patience and foresight, and know that any setbacks are normal and offer a learning experience. As we bid farewell to these discussions, let us carry all the lessons learned and the wisdom gained into our own financial journeys. Like and subscribe to us for more knowledge. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. There's a wealth of information out there. Make use of it. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.